Hello guys, today I am gonna show you how you can pair your dryer Gorenje DPNA with your smartphone. So in the first step you have to find the ConnectLife application in the App Store or Play Store. Then of course install it and open. Now click on the small plus in the right bottom corner. Then click on the App device. Now you have to select the type of your device, so in our case it's a tumble dryer. Now you have to scan the QR code. To find the QR code, you have to find the door of your device, so just give me a second. Okay, now we have to go to the dryer, turn on your appliance and hold these two buttons for a few seconds together. Now we are in the connecting mode, then click on the start button. If you see the counting, it's okay, go back to your smartphone. Now click on the next 4 times. And look for the Wi-Fi from your dryer appliance. Tap on it and click on the next. As you can see, now we have to enter the Wi-Fi settings, so just give me a second again. And as you can see, now we successfully add the dryer, so you can add a room, like a laundry room, and click on the save. Now we can manage the dryer appliance wirelessly from your smartphone. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.